Alright, we have, we're doing shopping on the Disney Dream, June 2019. We're going into Whitecaps. Alright, here we have all the latest Alex and Money, including specific cruise line one, which is right there. Damn it. Gold and silver. This is the prior Disney Junie and Burke cruise bag. Had it in a tote, a crossbody, and a wallet, which they still have all three. It's really cute. They've also got some vineyard vines in here.
You're hitting the horse. Don't
Some more Alice and Money down here. Over here we've got Tommy Bahama. It's just the regular Tommy Bahama. It's not the cruise Tommy Bahama or the Disney Tommy Bahama. That's going to be on the other side. What's that? Where's that at here?
This whole line to
Oh, is it specialty like running wear?
like
Exercise gear?
active wear.
Oh, it's nice. Wow. Is this his logo? That must be new. Yeah. It's got the little cruise logo on. I can barely reach that. Alright, let's go to the other part of Whitecaps. Got the men's cologne, women's cologne. So if you didn't bring any with you on the ship, you can always come spritz here before dinner. All kinds of different brands. You've got Chanel and Giorgio Armani, Da Vinci, Bulgari, Ralph Lauren, Burberry. We have some more on here.
Some designer sunglasses too.
Got our little replica ship, Disney Dream here. And we have Mickey, which is
Oh, we've got two different
he's
versions.
on the
So
he's
this,
on the new one and old one on the Magic.
this is the
And we
first
have
edition.
Minnie, who's on the Fantasy.
This one's 150. Oh, this is the
Lights
white up
out.
top. This is the one I was looking for.
Oh, the Oswalski.
Yeah, the boat light.
Just put it in there so it's lit up.
I don't think.
No.
You got the batteries. Oh, I want this one.
Oh, Mickey and Minnie love each other. You want that one. You got your Father's Day gift. Now I can say what it was. Got them a nice, very nice one. I got some sunglasses.
Look at that, man. Gems.
Anybody forgot their sunglasses?
I got the one I would run in right here.
Forgot or lose them like this one over here does. He loses them.
I actually haven't lost them in a while.
No, you haven't.
I've recovered them.
We've recovered and found. So, Swarovski. So pretty. A little bit of Jim Shore on board. Not a lot. He's trying to find another boat. He's trying. Chris Lou.
Oh yeah.
They have some cruise specific, really cute stuff. Like a little Mickey with an anchor in it.
This one has an anchor and a steering wheel.
Oh, cute.
Okay, there's the steering wheel.
So tons of earrings, tons of necklaces, tons of bracelets, all different kinds. I They got more Swarovski jewelry out here. None of this jewelry right here is cruise specific at all. All right, here we've got some Kate Spade.
Oh, they have the Captain Marvel.
Yeah.
Oh, they have the Alex
yeah,
Cruise.
here's a closer view of the Alex and Ani Cruise. That's the gold. This one is in the silver. Took the whole thing off. No, look at that. I took the whole thing off.
There you go.
It's in the silver.
You're so good at taking things.
This is a cute Kate Spade, just a little backpack. Alright, here we have some more Kate Spade. This is in the parks right now, so. Who says we have to grow up? Exactly.
And then you have the brown sketched leather.
Yeah, this is the latest leather cruise dooney. That's like perfect. You got Nike right there on the logo. This has been around, what, a year and a half?
Check that out.
Yeah,
That's perfect.
year and a half, 2 years maybe. All right, this actually released online on Shop Disney and in the parks. And now apparently it showed up on the ship the day we got on. So I don't think it's oceanfront, but I think we call it Under the Sea. It's really cute. It has kind of all the favorite Disney Under the Sea characters. You have Tamatoa, Sebastian Flounder. There's my guy, Bruce. From all the different movies. It's really cute. So that comes in a tote. Some wristlets. A really cute crossbody. It's not huge. It's kind of squared at the bottom. All right, the new Kate Spade, which is also in the parks. So you've got the little pink. This is, see how tiny this is? It's that small. And this one's even smaller. Little wallets, card holders, some little wristlets here. And here is the newest and latest. Alright, welcome back. Disney Dream, June 2019. This is Sea Treasures.
Next to White Caps.
Across from White Caps. So this is the newest stuff. It's got the year on it. It's got Disney Cruise Line 2019. And it's a Turvis. We love the metal Turvises. These are $30. Got some nice ladies tops.
Here's your dated.
Yeah, this is the 2019 line right here. Like a Turvis water bottle.
You can do the song and dance number.
Got a 2019 pen.
Bottle opener. Check this out.
Bottle opener.
Magnet.
Magnet bottle opener. Here is a magnet and photo frame. Here's what you don't see too much of anymore. Photo albums.
Yep, there's more.
And there is more.
It's like a scrapbook.
Maybe it is a scrap. It is a scrapbook. It's big. Bigger photo album. Oh, this is luggage. I've seen this before. Oh, a cute new coffee cup. It's got both two different Mickeys.
Oh, coaster set.
The handle's pretty cool.
It's leather. That's unusual.
Leather.
4 coasters.
Leather. All right, let's go over here. We don't have much time before the show lets out. Nice hat. I got some new hats out now. A lot of the stuff you might have already seen in some previous ones, but I'm gonna try and go over the new stuff. So that's Mickey. That's 2019. This is some older items because I know that because I actually I own them for probably a year now. This is new. That's got a 2019 on it.
It's Miss Sharon.
Is it Miss Sharon?
It is.
Hi, Miss Sharon. Say hi. She's one of my favorite people in the whole world. Yes, marvelous day. Oh, this is for kids. This is so cute. Sharon, we met Sharon on our very first cruise 6 years ago. And she still remembers us and we still remember her. I'm hoping that's a good thing. That's awesome. Okay, they have the purple potion ears. These were on our last video.
Oh, that's the purple potion.
Yep, that's Faith was so excited. There's the Purple Potion Disney Cruise Line spirit jersey. I may have to get these. These are cute. Yes, dear. I'm gonna have to get these. They're cute. Shorts. And it's got a cute top. So I'm assuming these are like pajamas, which is all me.
That's cute. It's a cute top.
I know. Some kids. This has to be girls because it's purple.
That's another part of that scrapbook kit.
Yeah. Cool. Okay. A lot of jackets. It's hot. It's a lot of jackets.
They must think you're going to Alaska.
I know. This is not the Alaska cruise, that's for sure.
That's for the Alaska cruise. There you go.
Yeah. Like, yeah, we're in the Bahamas. Yeah, no. Some more hats. These are, ooh, we got a little bling bling. They're shiny.
So
So shiny. Faith thinks these are pajamas. These are like sweatpants. Life's better at sea. I could not agree more. Oh, another life's better at sea. Very cute. A little thin though. Alright, here's some of the spirit jerseys. This is a normal one they have. That's one they've had. There's the Kids Lion King down here.
Oh, yeah,
This is Hakuna Matata. I think that's at the parks. Navy blue. This is really cute spirit jersey. This is Captain Minnie. In red, white, and blue. And on the back, it's got stars and it says Disney Cruise Line. I just think that's adorable. Here's another newer pair of ears. They released last year. Alright. Ah, this is what Faith was dying over. Purple Potion. Disney Cruise Line, which I swear I have seen already. And you've got the Lounge Fly.
The ears.
Yeah, I know. With the matching ears. This is an old line.
Oh, they have the denim.
I'm gonna go through this one. This is like in 3 or 4 videos. It probably will not be around very long. Faith has this Lounge Fly.
Well, this is good to know as well. Your stuff that they carry.
Here are the necessities if you have any issues at sea.
Toothbrushes, hair products, deodorants.
They get sick. We've got a few things they need. Yes, we've bought a couple bottles of that before. You might want to bring a better bottle of Afrin than this.
Your Advils.
You got some stuff for the kids. You got Benadryl.
Actually, I had a
Definitely.
question the other day if they had Benadryl.
Yes, they do. They do have stuff for seasickness too. Yeah, Dramamine right here.
Right here.
Dramamine. You got your sea bands right here. For the ladies, if there's an emergency, they have that too.
H2O.
And we have the H2O.
Yeah, as of this video, they are pumps. They are no longer individual products.
In the rooms.
In the rooms.
Yep. No. I forgot this morning too. There's some sunlight. Faith came running out. Happy Father's Day on the balcony. I'm like, Happy Father's Day. I knew I was going to forget. I said I was.
She totally forgot.
You start remembering everything like early.
I had to get my own coffee.
Oh
No. He woke me up. Oh, no, I woke up. They have little swimmers, which I'm confused about, but they can't wear them.
Yeah, they can. They can wear them in the little toddler splash thing.
Oh, in the splash park.
Nemo, yeah.
See?
Well, oh, this is cute. The cruise line throw.
Today's purchase with a purchase is a backpack.
It's a boring backpack, but it's a backpack. Oh, I own this. I have yet to use it.
I think it's still got the tags.
I think it's still in the bag, but I had to have it. All right, so this stuff's in the park.
Yep.
Walt Disney World. This is Cruise Line, Walt Disney World. Here we go. Yeah, some of the generic, obviously generic. We have Star Wars sunglasses.
No, this is not generic. This is just Disney themed.
I know. Well, no, those aren't
They're not Disney
themed. They're not themed. They're just generic glasses. This also is a little bit older line.
Layers because it's so freaking cold. It's not too over the top.
Oh, that's different.
Got a nice towel. Some cruise cups, coffee cups.
Very big.
Good
Say
size.
almost 16, 18 ounces.
This is what we drink out of. These size cups. All right, I'm gonna zip through this. These are older. Some Tervis bottles. Some sweats for the guys.
And here's another. I've seen a lot of
We
Tommy.
all scream all the time. No reason. We just all scream.
Yeah, it's from Mickey Bar. So.
Doesn't say that. Some Nike gear. For dry fit. I don't like those hats on me. Oh, here's something for every guy. Look, it's a corn dog. It's a
Shake.
pretzel,
Soda,
popcorn,
Mickey Bar.
Mickey bars, turkey leg. Probably a few other things. Oh, here's that Peter Miller.
Yeah.
That's a nice shirt. It's a newer hat. Anchor hat. Everywhere. Anchors away. Oh, I want to find that shirt that, oh, here's the cruise line. No, it's not like a cruise line Tommy Bahama.